Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. I'm so excited to be part of the East African Rice Conference. It's happening in May 2021, and this is part of a three-part series of videos that I've done with them that it's all about showing you how rice can be made tasty and delicious at home. I have 3 different recipes, and in this particular recipe, this video, I'm showing you how to make vegetable rice. Now, the vegetable rice seems simple, but it's something that you can easily go wrong. But in this video, I'll show you how to actually make it. Watch till the end to see. So welcome to the show. In this recipe, I'm using the pishori rice. We have the vegetables. Choose different colors of vegetables that you can get or whatever you have available. So I'm not going, because I'm not using a lot in terms of mixing it with the rice. You want a little bit of everything. Now the cutting of the vegetables, you make sure that you cut them the same size. In this case, I'm going to dice them. But the bottom line is whatever choice you make, try and make sure that they are equal amounts of each vegetable. So oil. So I'm going to put all the vegetables together. And this recipe for sure is for any, I would say any rice variant that you may use, or whichever is your favorite rice. So seasoning the vegetables with salt and pepper. In this case, I'm also, you can choose to have them a little bit brown, have a brown color. You also need to do it on medium-high heat because you do not want the vegetables to start boiling, or basically you want the vegetables to dry, to cook while they're dry. Now when you do the vegetables on the side here and then add them to the rice, first of all, visually it will make the rice more beautiful and appealing and tasty, especially for the kids. Now when you cook it like this, some people, especially for the pishori, because it has nice aroma and flavor, some people prefer even taking the rice when it's plain. The idea is also not to overcook the vegetables or brown them. I prefer my vegetables crunchy, so this one already looks okay. So turn off. And then I'm adding all the vegetables together with the oil. I not put oil in the rice, so when cooking, so I'll add them all together and then mix. Now the amount of vegetables is determined by the amount of rice that you have. And if you feel you need to add more vegetables, go ahead. Vegetables are healthy. But in this case, this rice is now enhanced. Again, this video is brought to you by the East African Rice Conference, courtesy also of the Ministry of Agriculture, Kabe and Iri. I hope you've learned something new. Check the other recipes that I have featured in this 3-part series of videos. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comment section whenever you're watching this video on YouTube, and I'll get back to you. Hope you've enjoyed. See you next time.